Ayan, good evening. Ayan, kumakain sila rito. Ayan. When you become wealthy, you don't put up higher walls. You put up longer tables.
Love it. I love it.
Diba? O, hingi lang ng kanin, tsaka ulam, magre-refill sa inyo. O, kain lang, kain lang.
Ubusin muna natin yung mga nalagon.
Ito si Conrad, oh, balikbayan, oh. O, kain lang, kain lang. Taas kamay, o yan, oh. Ulam daw, ulam.
Dali lang, ito na lang. Yung banong muna. Ito yung kanin, ito muna.
Ito niya kinalat niya doon, tatabay na ito mga niya kumuha ng hula.
What's his name again? What's your name?
Harry.
Harry?
Yes.
In Japanese, what's your name?
Shinsuke, but you can call me Harry.
Shinsuke. Harry. Shinsuke?
Yeah, Shinsuke.
Oh. And what's your name again? Ganda. In Japanese? Mimi. Ayan. So, ayan. Kumakain na yung mga kababayan natin dito. We have a volunteer who will be celebrating his birthday tomorrow. He'll be feeding the homeless in Manila.
Yesterday, celebration tomorrow.
Okay. Happy birthday, Harry. And Ganda?
Hello, ganda from
Ayan. Ayan si Ganda rin. Oh, yung kanin pa, oh. Ulam, taas lang ng kamay. May mga volunteers dyan. O, yung mga barako dyan, maganda yung volunteers, ha? Pwedeng tingnan, bawal hipuin. Yung mga bading naman, gwapo rin yung volunteers. Yan, pwedeng hipuin. Kain lang, kain. Ba't wala ka? Ayaw mo kumain? Sige. Gusto mo na ice cream? Ay, sige. Ikaw, oh, isa na lang yung ice cream eh. Siya yung kailangan eh. Teka, titingnan natin. Oh, God bless you all. Dakila si Bathala. Ayan. Ayan yung feeding natin today. See you later mga cooks. Ayan. Loving the poor is loving God. God bless you all. Dakila si Bathala.